staying here the night before our flight tomorrow. Follow us in.
We found our executive family rooms. Now follow us in.
See you on the inside.
See you on the inside. Oh wow. Oh no, Holly, you're in the wrong room. Oh no. Maybe you swapped sides in the wrong room. Wow! Look at that, Hol. The squishies. Test out this bed. So comfy. This is going to be a great night's sleep.
Well, I thought this was our room, but then I realised with the little elephants that it's most probably the girls.
So we got elephant squishies. We've got a nice cake. We've got some milk chocolate mint. And we got this pack here. Let's open it. Holly, look how many sweets we've got.
Ooh. While those two are eating, I'll do a little room tour. So this is one of 36 interconnecting rooms, so it's really good for families. So this is the girls' room here. Nice sized bed each. So obviously if you were the adults, this would be your business desk, but this is like their write and drawing area. Lovely large flat screen TV. Tea and coffee and biscuits.
And we've got a lovely big bathroom. We've got a very nice shower, very big, got open doors like that, and I can make sure I can test it out.
Yeah, test it out.
Yeah, just shut the doors. Shut the doors, because that's how I would do it.
What have we got stuff inside?
And if I go like that, I can reach up, and if I'm in a shower, I go like that.
Well, let's go into our side of the room now. We've got the interconnecting doors. And this is the large Super King room. A nice towel art here. And I'll just take you over to the bathroom. We've got mood lighting, which I think's really nice, and I like Crabtree and Evelyn toiletries. And what's great as well is you can have a soak in the bath if you just want to relax, or you've got the walk-in shower as well.
And that is our rooms. See you next time.
Bye-bye.
With the executive level rooms, you have access to the executive lounge, which is on the same floor. This is the 4th floor here, and afternoon tea is on until 5 PM.
Chicken.
Chloe, before you eat it all, can you tell me what you're eating and you're enjoying?
I am eating a dosa.
And what is a dosa?
It's like an Indian pancake.